Hello everyone, this is a November 14 question, paper 1-1 and the question number is 27. It's concerned with the chapter carboxylic acid and their derivatives. Although this question is based on very simple deduction, there can be some possible rooms for confusion, so we'll see how to deal with the rooms for confusion. Question which propanoate, notice the en here instead of an. Methyl propanoate is the monomer used to make perspex. Which diagram correctly shows methyl propanoate? So methyl propanoate is an ester because of its name OH at the ending, and methyl group, which is the relevant alcohol group, and methyl propanoate, which is the relevant carboxylic group. This is alcohol group, this is the relevant carboxylic group. Now, which diagram correctly shows methyl propanoate? Our first step would be to deduce what the alcohols and the carboxylic acids are. Let's deduce alcohol first because alcohol seems fairly easy. The alcohol is simple methanol, which is CH3OH. Methyl propanoate is, you have probably heard of propanoic acid. You should have heard of it. Propanoic acid is CH3CH2CO2H. This is propanoic acid, and propanoic acid would be CH2 double bond CHCO2H. This is propanoic acid, and this should be propanoic acid, because the question is in the question we are dealing with propanoate. So this is propanoic acid, and methyl propanoic acid would be when we add H here, because the question has not mentioned whether 2-methyl, 3-methyl, because it's obvious where the methyl group should be added. Because if we add here the methyl group here, this would not be the methyl group, but instead it would add to the longest carbon chain, making it butanoic acid. So methyl propanoic acid is this structure where we knock out one hydrogen, we remove one hydrogen. This carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4 covalent bonds, so and CH3 here. This is methyl propanoic acid, and then using similar rules, this should be methyl propanoic acid, CH3 here. So methyl propanoic acid is, if we write the structure, it's CH2 double bond C CH3 CCH3 CO2H. So this is CH3 and CO2H. Our process of making ester is carboxylic acid plus alcohol. Acid plus alcohol. Let's do this way. Our carboxylic acid is this CH2 double bond C CH3 CO2H, and alcohol is methanol, which we deduced earlier, CH3OH. So adding these two, we'll get structure similar to this CH2 double bond C CH3, which is same as it is. Now we have to make necessary changes to this and this, so which it should be CO2 and then finally CO2 and then finally CH3, because we remove hydrogen from carboxylic acid and OH from alcohol, producing the byproduct water. Now if we write this our final product in a similar way given in the options, we could construct this as, or let's look at the options first and eliminate the obviously wrong ones. So we could in our final answer, the double bond is between first and second carbon atoms. In option B, double bond is between second and third. We rule out this. In option D, double bond is between second and third, because no matter how you go, if you go like this also it's between second and third, this way also it's between second and third. So we are down to options A and C. If we look at option C first, it's CH2 and CH, so far so good, and then it's CO2 CH2 CH3, but we should not have CH2 CO2 CH2 CH3, we should only have CO2 CH3, because our alcohol is methanol does not have 2 carbon atoms. We rule out C. Option A is our correct answer, but still let's verify it. CH2 double bond C CH3. This is CH3 is the I'll copy the structure, our final answer, which is CH2 double bond C CH3 CO2 CH3 CH2 CH2 double bond C, this is C CH3 CO2 CH3. So this verifies option A is our correct answer.